Wear appropriate personal protective equipment every time you apply Pesti Smart Pest Plan pesticides to protect your skin, eyes, and respiratory system. When handling Pesti Smart Pest Plan products, start by reading the product label for any additional requirements, and follow those instructions exactly because the label is the legal and safety guide. Use disposable nitrile gloves for all mixing, loading, and application tasks and replace them if they tear or become contaminated. Nitrile resists many pesticide active ingredients better than latex. Wear long sleeves and long pants made from tightly woven fabric to reduce skin exposure, and tuck sleeves into gloves and pants into socks when possible to prevent splashes reaching skin. Put on closed-toe shoes that you do not wear inside the house, and clean them after use by removing excess product outdoors and wiping with a damp cloth. Use chemical splash goggles if there is any risk of splashing during mixing or pouring. Ordinary eyeglasses do not provide a seal and are not adequate. If the label indicates respiratory protection or you are working in a poorly ventilated area, use a properly fitted respirator with cartridges rated for pesticide vapors and particulates. For occasional home use, a disposable particulate respirator may be sufficient, but only if the label allows it. After application, remove gloves first, wash hands and any exposed skin with soap and water, launder work clothing separately from household laundry, and store personal protective gear away from living areas. Common mistakes include using the wrong gloves, which can lead to skin absorption. The fix is to choose nitrile gloves rated for chemical resistance and change them frequently. Another frequent issue is inadequate eye protection. Avoid this by wearing splash goggles whenever there is any chance of splatter during mixing or application. A third problem is assuming normal clothing is enough. Prevent this by wearing long sleeves and long pants made of tightly woven fabric, and by laundering contaminated clothing separately and promptly. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home maintenance and pesticide services. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, product experiences, and safety advice.